Hi class 8 students, welcome to lecture number 4 of the chapter Light. So today we will continue the topic Human Eye Structure and Function. This is part 3 and we have already discussed part 1 and 2 in our previous lecture. Alright, now see here, this is called the optic nerve. Optic nerve carries electrical signals to the brain. Now the function of optic nerve is to carry electrical signals to the brain. That means they relay messages from our eyes to our brain to create visual image. So they play a crucial role in our ability to see. But if there is any damage in the optic nerve, then it can lead to vision loss to one or both eye. Next, see, as you can see here, there is a spot. So this spot is known as blind spot. At the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, there are no rods and cones. That means there are no sensory cells. Now see here, at the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, there are no sensory cells. So no images gets formed at this point as it is insensitive to light. This point is called blind spot of the eye. Now as you can see here, at the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, since there are no sensory cells, so no image will be formed at this point as it is insensitive to light, and this point is called blind spot of the eye. I hope everyone is clear. Next, see, the octopus does not have a blind spot. The photoreceptors in the octopus retina are located in the inner part of the eye, while the cells that carry information to its brain are in the outer portion of its eye. Its optic nerve therefore does not cross any point of its retina. Now see, in case of octopus, they does not have a blind spot. And the photoreceptors in the octopus retina, they are located in the inner part of the eye. And the cells which carry information to its brain, they are located in the outer portion of its eye. Its optic nerve therefore does not cross any point of its retina. Now see here, I will show you the level diagram of human eye. So this is cornea. Behind the cornea, as you can see, this is aqueous humor, this is the iris, this is pupil which is black in color, this is the lens. So we have got convex lens, right? These are the ciliary muscles, this is retina, as you can see, this is the optic nerve, and this is the blind spot. So students, this is an important diagram from your examination point of view. Alright, so practice it. Okay, now we will discuss working of human eye and how to care of the eye. So first let us see working of human eye. As you can see here, light coming from the object enters the eye through the cornea. So see here, through cornea, light coming from the object enters the eye. Then the light enters through the pupil. After that, the light enters through the pupil. As you can see here, pupil is present here. After that, it hits the eye lens which converts these light rays. Then it hits the eye lens which converts these light rays to form a real, inverted and diminished image on the retina. Then it forms a real, inverted and diminished image on the retina. Can you see here? So retina is present here. Now the light sensitive cells of retina gets activated with the incidence of light and generate electric signals. Now the light sensitive cells which are present on the retina, they gets activated with the incidence of light and then they generate electric signals. These signals are sent to the brain by the optic nerve. Now these electric signals, they are sent to the brain by the optic nerve. So optic nerve is present here. The brain then interprets the electrical signals in such a way that we see an image which is erect and of the same size as the object. Now the brain, it interprets the electrical signals in such a way that we can see the image which is erect and of the same size as the object. Okay students, I hope everyone is clear. Now let us see how to care of the eye. The following precautions have been suggested to ensure the health, care and proper functioning of the human eye. So see, the first precaution, have a regular checkup. If so advised, use the correct spectacles. So we must always have a regular checkup of our eyes And if the doctor advised to use the correct specs, then we must always use it. Now see the second precaution. Never look at the sun or any other powerful light source directly. So we must always avoid looking at the sun or any other powerful light source directly because it can cause damage to our eyes. Now see the third precaution. Have sufficient light in the room when you are reading, writing or watching television. Poor lighting in a room causes eye strain. So when we are reading, writing or watching television, then we must always have sufficient light in the room because poor lighting in a room can cause eye strain. Now see the fourth precaution. Try not to spend too much time looking continuously at your computer screen or television. It can cause eye strain. Now see the fifth precaution. Eat a balanced diet having lots of fruits and vegetables. Lack of vitamin A in foodstuff is responsible for many eye troubles, including night blindness. Okay, now see, we must also give importance to a proper balanced diet having lots of fruits and vegetables because lack of vitamin A in our foodstuff can be responsible for many eye problems, including night blindness. So we must always eat food which is rich in vitamin A. Alright, now see another precaution. Gently wash eyes frequently with clean water. So we must always wash our eyes frequently with clean water. Now see the last precaution. Know your family history. Some of the vision problems may be inherited. That is, they run in the family. So sometimes we should know our family history because vision problems may be inherited. That means there may be some genetic disorders of eye. Okay students, we are done for lesson number 4. Thank you.